front of me is Nothing Phone for April, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select or create a chat. Now, to create voice memos within Messages app, use this button at the bottom right corner. Then use this microphone one to record your message. You can restart at any point. You can use the same button, then listen to your message and decide if you want to restart it or attach it. Or you can hit attach right away. Then just send it. If you want to add a file that's already on your device, you can tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and hit Files. Now to find an audio one, use Audio section at the top. Look for it in one of your apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to find it in one of those sources, like Downloads. Click on it to attach it and send it. Now, when it comes to videos, whether you want to attach already existing one or record it within Messages app, use this button with a camera and a photo at the bottom right corner. Then operate top portion of your screen to record your video. And once you finish, it will be automatically attached to your message. If you want to add already existing one, hold this line over here and drag it up. Then look for your video, click on it, and tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Lastly, just send it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!